Hello friends, this is me again. I am here to introduce a hand compressor of einhell. And by the way, einhell doesn't pay me anything. On the period of buying this machine, I couldn't find any, I don't know the real word in English. I couldn't find any good introduction video. So after I bought and used it, I want to introduce that machine. First of all, it's einhell and model number is here. It uses the xchange battery type. And why I bought this, there are little smaller types in Bosch, Xiaomi and Black & Decker and some other brands. Their batteries are small. They can make increase your pressure from 30 psi to 33 psi, but if you have a problem like 15 psi, you cannot make it higher, 2, 3, maybe 5 psi more. Their battery is very small. They are mostly for motorcycles and bicycles, and I have tried it how it can do it while changing the summer to winter. After it's taken to these alloy wheels, the tire man made a small pressure to make the sides touch the metal part. It was about 4 or 5 psi, and I have started this about 15 minutes. It's from 5 psi to 35 psi. What to say more? There are 2 triggers. This is manual. The other is the trigger of what you arrange. From this one you choose psi, bar, kilopascals, and from this you can down or up which psi or which pressure you want. And when you press the one underside, it works until the measured pressure is catched. It presses so. The voice, it's not more, not less, almost the same as the others. My friends, one of them said Xiaomi is more silent, but I don't know. They are not bad products. They can also make pressures until 200 psi, but as I have said, they have a little battery and maybe 13 inches alloy, okay, but more than this one, they are not so effective in cars. As my example, it's from 5 to 35. It's about 15 minutes, and these 3 LEDs making how much the loaded, how much charged the battery. It was full, only 2 was there. This means with a 2.5 amperes battery, you can easily inflate 2 tires of this size twice. And if you use 4, you can inflate 4 of them. Just a minute, please. This is not a tank compressor. This it makes the pressure with a very little, I don't know the real, I couldn't remember actually the real technical word, but in very small volumes it gives it. So around the part there is a more pressured side than the other sides of the tire. So I use sometimes 1 degrees more, 2 degrees more, or after it's the desired value, I press just a little like so. As you see, it's rechargeable, and it can use any einhell battery. it's not so small, but as I have said, it can have more energy, and it's a changeable battery. You can use it, and after it's full deflated, you can use another battery to go on. Because of that, I am using it. I also have this, and I will make an explanation video of that afterwards sometime. Goodbye, dear.